Hey everyone! I'm here today to dive into a gripping story from the political landscape that has caught the attention of many. It's about Hezvo Tshabangu, a figure who stands out not just for his political activism, but for the dramatic twists in his journey. So let's get right into it. In the vibrant and often turbulent arena of Zimbabwean politics, a name has been making waves: Hezvo Tshabangu. But here's the twist: he's known as the ZANU-PF imposter. This story isn't just about politics, it's about a fight for justice and the human spirit's resilience. Hezvo Tshabangu, in his powerful speeches, has highlighted issues concerning human rights and development. However, he claims his efforts have been grossly misrepresented and unrecognized, sparking a legal battle that could have significant implications. Now you might wonder, what's at the heart of Tshabangu's claim? Well, he argues that his speech advocating for development over politics in the period from 2023 to 2028 has been pivotal. Yet he feels his contributions have been overshadowed and his rights as an activist suppressed. This case isn't just about one man's legal fight, it's a reflection of broader political dynamics where the lines between advocacy, politics, and personal rights often blur. As Tshabangu takes his battle to the courts, he's not just fighting for himself, but for every activist who feels sidelined or misrepresented. The implications of this lawsuit extend beyond Tshabangu. They touch on the essence of political engagement and the protection of human rights advocates. How society responds to Tshabangu's case could set a precedent for future interactions between political figures and activists. In essence, this isn't just a legal battle. It's a narrative about courage, integrity, and the pursuit of justice within the complex web of politics. It's a reminder that even in a period designated for development, politics and its repercussions are ever present. As we watch this story unfold, one thing is clear: the fight for justice is ongoing, and it often requires more than just passion. It demands resilience, legal acumen, and a deep commitment to the principles of human rights. What do you think about Tshabangu's fight? Is it a rightful pursuit of justice, or is there more to the story than meets the eye? Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into such intriguing topics. See you next time!